Let's look at how to graph using GeoGebra. So I have a sample data set 1, 5, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, and I've opened up GeoGebra on the side here. GeoGebra is a free program that you can download on any operating system, so I would strongly encourage downloading this thing and trying it out. I'm going into where it says spreadsheet when it first opens, and I'm typing in my numbers in this first column here. Now that I have my data typed in, I'm going to click on the boxes and drag down to select them. You could also just click that A on the top, and that selects the whole column for you. After you've selected the data, you're going to click this box up here that kind of looks like a histogram. You're going to choose the option for one variable analysis, because I only have one list of values typed in. And then it automatically gives me my histogram down here on the bottom. Now, if you wanted more bins, there's a slider where you can control the number of bins. If you wanted less bins, you can control that as well. You have the option of going into these graphs in more detail if you would like. So something to show you here. They've got this little gearbox where you can really change sort of the input and the output of this graph. So if you wanted to have this thing start at, say, 0.5 instead of 0, that's something you can control in this little thing that looks like a sun. Instead of a histogram, if you go to the drop-down menu, you can easily make a box plot that shows you your 5-number summary right there. You could also do a stem and leaf plot if you happen to have meaningful data that you could do a stem and leaf plot with. You could even do a dot plot, which just puts a dot for each of the numbers that exist. And this is pretty fast and easy to switch between these things. Finally, just as a quick note, if you happen to click this box up here with this sigma and the x, this will give you your mean, your population and sample standard deviation, and your minimum, your first quartile, median, third quartile, and maximum. In other words, those last 5 numbers are your 5-number summary. So this is a really fast way to kind of use technology to find both your graphs and your summary statistics here.